Hello, Kajal. How are you?
Hello, good evening, ma'am. I'm good. That's about you.
Thank you, Kajal. I'm also very good. So, firstly, I would like to congratulate you on behalf of Khaira Education. We are so happy and
Thank you,
proud
ma'am.
that you got your desired B grade in all the modules. So, congratulations, Kajal. How are you feeling now?
Currently, I'm feeling next level because I'm waiting for a long time for this score.
Right. I know, like, we all know that you have worked very hard, and we are glad that you have received your result, and we are very happy for you as well. So, Kajal, how was your experience with us?
Ma'am, with Khaira Education, I have great experience at the time of starting until now. I have a very memorable and greatest experience with Khaira Education and with all trainers. Like, firstly, Sane ma'am for reading, Yukti ma'am for listening, writing for Sabreet ma'am and Yukti ma'am, and speaking, Bhumika ma'am, you, and Ravneet ma'am, and rest of all trainers are very, like highly qualified trainers. And I'm very grateful for today to pass my OET exam with Khaira Education.
We are also very happy that we got an opportunity to associate with you. We are very happy for you, Kajal. So, anything else, any message you have for us? Anything you would like to say, you would like to share?
Yes, ma'am. Firstly, in this journey, one member, one like trainer, one mentor, one my friend for Gurleen ma'am. Like, अगर मेरे इस ओईटी की जर्नी में अगर कोई मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल है, तो वो मेरे लिए गुरलीन मैम है, क्योंकि
I know, I understand. Like, I understand. Even I connect with her, and she's very special. I'm feeling, you're feeling emotional. Oh, that's so sweet. But don't cry. Kajal, I hope you're okay. It's good, like you're expressing your emotion, and you want to have water.
मैम उन्होंने मेरे को कभी जज नहीं किया, कभी किसी चीज के लिए भी। और इवन मतलब पर्सनल लाइफ, अगर मैं किसी चीज के लिए परेशान हूँ, किसी चीज को लेके, क्लास को लेके या फिर किसी भी चीज को लेके, वो हमेशा मेरे साथ ऐसे रहे हैं। मतलब कोई फैमिली मेंबर भी वो साथ नहीं रहता जैसे वो साथ रहे हैं।
Right. Yeah, I totally agree with you. Like, she stands with
उन
me also as a pillar, and I totally agree with you. That's right. Yeah, but I'm glad. Yes, you're very right, Kajal.
यस मैम, वो बहुत स्पेशल है, वो बहुत स्पेशल। मतलब मैं एक्सप्रेस भी नहीं कर सकती उनको वर्ड्स में कि वो मेरी लाइफ में कितना इम्पोर्टेंट, कितना मैटर और बहुत प्रीशियस है वो मेरे लिए, बहुत ज्यादा।
Yeah, I totally understand. Some relationships cannot be expressed, but we can just feel them. And a relationship with Gurleen ma'am is, I think, like that. Even I agree with you. Even I have the same with her. And yeah, she is always there for each one of us, and especially you and me. I agree. She's there for me also, like an elder sister, a mentor, a friend. She's there. So yeah, that's right.
No matter what time will be there, like 12 a.m., 2 a.m., she's always be ready for all students.
Right.
Not not me, she's ready for all students, like exam students, extra preparation, extra AMA sessions, extra special attention for exam students, exam groups made. Like all things will be provided for all of students, and each and every time, like 24/7.
Yeah, right. I totally agree. Yeah, we do have her as a mentor, and definitely our team is also so good. We all are there together. But I'm glad that we all were able to help you. So yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
anything else you would like to share or speak or say?
लाइक यस मैम, मैं इवन लाइक मैं आने वाले स्टूडेंट्स को भी रिकमेंड करूंगी कि वो भी अपनी ओईटी की जर्नी, ओईटी के क्लासेस खैर एजुकेशन से ज्वाइन करें। और मतलब आप एक अगर किसी चीज पे स्टेप करते हो तो आप उस चीज में बहुत सारी चीजें सीखते हो।
Right.
आप ओईटी ज्वाइन करते हो, ओईटी की क्लासेस आप स्टार्ट करते हो, आप एग्जाम अपना देते हो, तो मतलब अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आपको साथ के साथ सीखने को मिलते हैं।
Yes, yes, you're right.
यस।
Thank you so much, Kajal. We are very happy that you were and you will be our student throughout, and you will be forever in our hearts, all of us. You know how special you are for all of us. And definitely, we all will meet you and then we'll congratulate you in person as well. So, all the best for your future and keep
थैंक यू।
shining. We are always there. Thank you so much, Kajal.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम।